Hello there, ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between. Tactical Bacon 00 here. Hey, you know how there's supposed to be an episode of Skyrim tonight? Well, slight problem. Yeah. Anyone who has a computer probably knows what this is. So yeah, I'm gonna get Skyrim Saturday up as soon as possible, but yeah, I'm having some computer issues right now that I don't know. So yes, sorry about no Skyrim tonight. So yeah, to make up for that, here's a video of my bird humping a chew toy. I hope it makes up for it. Sorry. Bacon out!